Children, this is Sarabjit here. Today we are going to read chapter number 8 in EVS. Clothes I wear. Yes, you all wear different kind of clothes? Yes? Yes, you all wear different kinds of clothes. So let's look here one exercise. Look at the pictures of the clothes shown below. Write the names of each item. Here you have to write the clothes name. What is this? This is a shirt. What is this? This is socks. What is this? This is pants. This is frock. These are gloves. These are, what is this? This is t-shirt. Now we are going to read the chapter. We need clothes. Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body, to keep us safe from heat, cold, rain and dust, to protect us against insect bites and minor injuries, to look good. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body, to keep us safe from heat, cold, rain and dust. हम क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं तो उससे हम सेफ रहते हैं. और किस चीज़ों से सेफ रहते हैं? हम सेफ रहते हैं हीट से, कोल्ड, रेन एंड डस्ट. एंड इवन ऑल्सो वी आर प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम इंसेक्ट बाइट्स एंड माइनर इंजरीज. अगर हम अच्छे से क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं तो हमें इंसेक्ट से भी बच सकते हैं और हमें लगेगी कम. टू लुक गुड, हम अच्छे दिखने के लिए भी क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. येस, यू ऑल वेयर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ्स इन द पार्टीज, इन द स्कूल, इन द home. Yes, you all wear different kinds of clothes. Now next is type of clothes. Types of clothes. We wear different types of clothes for different purposes. हम different types of clothes पहनते हैं. We wear colorful clothes to parties and weddings. Yes, I have told you कि हम different type of clothes पहनते हैं और हम कलरफुल क्लोथ्स कहाँ के लिए पहनते हैं? पार्टीज एंड वेडिंग्स में. वी वेयर कैजुअल क्लोथ्स व्हेन वी गो आउट टू प्ले एंड व्हेन वी आर एट होम. हम जब घर पे रहते हैं एंड व्हेन वी गो फॉर टू प्ले वी वेयर कैजुअल क्लोथ्स. वी वेयर नाइट सूट्स व्हेन वी गो टू बेड. When you go to sleep you wear night suits. Yes, now here one exercise is given. Select your clothes to wear for a party at home and at night. Write P for party, H for home and N for night time. Here you have to choose the clothes for the party, home and night. This you will wear at home. Yes, this casual frock you will wear at home. What is this? This is a night suit you will wear at night. Wow, this is very beautiful frock. Where you will wear this frock? Yes, you will wear this frock in the party. Again, this type of frock you will wear in the party. These are casual clothes. Where will you wear this clothes? You will wear at home. This is a party dress and this you will wear at home. Now In different seasons, we wear different kind of clothes. Yes, you all wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Now look here. Our clothes and seasons. Do you wear the same kind of clothes in summer and winter? Yes? Answer me. Do you wear the same kind of clothes in summer and winter? No, you wear different kind of clothes. No, we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Now first we will see summer season. Which picture is this? This is the picture of summer season. Our clothes in the summer season. Can you tell me which kind of clothes you wear in the summer? Yes, we wear cotton clothes in summer. So let's read. In summer, it is very hot. So we wear light cotton clothes. Summers में बहुत गर्मी होती है. It is very hot in the summer. So we wear light cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep our body dry and cool. By wearing cotton clothes, our body is dry and cool. Now can you see here? Which season is this? Yes, this is the picture of winter season. Our clothes in the winter season. In winter, it is very cold. So we wear woolen clothes. Winters में बहुत ठंड होती है. So we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. Woolen clothes keep your body warm. हमारी body गर्म रहती है woolen clothes से. Now let's see which season is this. This is rainy season. This is the picture of rainy season. Our clothes in the rainy season. We wear raincoats and gumboots when we go out in the rain. When you go out in the rain, which type of clothes you wear? You wear raincoats and gumboots. They keep our body dry. Water does not enter these clothes. Do you all know? By wearing raincoat and gumboots, our body is dry. हमारी body dry रहती है. And water does not enter these clothes. पानी इनमें enter नहीं होता इन clothes में. And you use umbrellas also? Yes. Now let's look this exercise. Look at the clothing items shown below. Write S for the clothes we wear in summer. W for the clothes we wear in winter. And R for the clothes we wear in rainy season. Here you have to write S for the summer season clothes, W for the winter wear clothes, and R for the clothes we wear in rainy season. Now look here. This is a t-shirt, half sleeve t-shirts. This you wear in summer season. What is this? This is a sweater. This sweater you wear in winter season. What is this? This is a cotton shirt. This you wear in summer. Now look here. This is a sweater and gloves. When you wear this? Yes, you wear in winter season. Half pant and shirt? Yes, you wear in summer season. This is raincoat and gumboots. When you wear this? Yes, you wear these in rainy season. Some special clothes. We have some special clothes also, like uniform. So I'll explain you the meaning of uniform. There are some special clothes that we wear at special places or work. हमारे कुछ स्पेशल क्लोथ्स होते हैं दैट वी वेयर एट स्पेशल प्लेसेस और वर्क. हम किसी स्पेशल प्लेस पे उसको वेयर करते हैं या जब हम वर्क के लिए जाते हैं देन वी वेयर दैट क्लोथ्स. दे आर कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म्स. दे आर कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म. You all wear uniform in the school? Yes, you all wear uniform in the school. They tell about the work of a person. We wear a uniform when we come to school. You all wear uniforms. Look at these uniforms. Have you seen anyone wearing these? Yes. Yes, this is the uniform of doctor. This is the uniform of nurse. This is the uniform of soldier. Now here we will see some more uniforms. Yes. Can you guess who wears this uniform? Yes, policeman wears this uniform. This is the uniform of fireman and this is the uniform of postman. Now we have next exercise. Read the sentences and match them with the pictures of people wearing different uniforms. You have to match the people's wearing different clothes. Now first is I save people from fire. Who save people from fire? Yes, fireman. So where is the uniform of fireman? Yes, this is the uniform of fireman. I take care of people who are not well. Yes, doctor. This is the uniform of doctor. I protect our city from dangers. Can you guess the person? Yes, policeman. Where is the uniform of policeman? Yes, this is the uniform of policeman. I protect our country from outside dangers. Yes. Who protects our country from outside dangers? Soldier. This is the uniform of soldier. I help the doctor take care of the people who are not well. Can you guess? Nurse. Where is the uniform of nurse? Yes, this is a nurse. I bring letters to you. Postman. This is the postman. Now we will discuss some questions. Answer the following questions. Do you like your school uniform? Yes, I like my school uniform. If you can change the color of your uniform, which color will it be? This question you have to write it yourself. Now next is color the uniforms given below. You have to color these uniforms. Now Rahul wears different uniforms during summer, winter. Look at the pictures and tell which uniform is for which season. Can you guess here? Yes, this is the uniform of summer season and this is the uniform of winter season. Very good. Now I hope you all have understood this chapter and you all have to read this chapter. Thank you.